शांति। अव्यक्ति परिवार में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज ये दिन
Om Shanti.
आज
All of you, welcome in Avyakti Parivar, and today is day 3. And today's topic is for constant happiness is the awareness of the inheritance. Now we'll listen to Moini Didi.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. So the awareness, whatever awareness we have, is very important in our life, because as our awareness is the same is our stage. So in our whole life, in our child, since our childhood, so whatever has happened, whatever attainments we have, so when we have the awareness of those attainments, we are always happy. However, if there is any difficulty or any situation, maybe in this spiritual journey, or it, there should be always, there will be always some situations, some difficulties. So I was telling to someone that I had this determined thought, like if there is something wrong, that I never keep in my mind, because there are so many things that they are really good and nice, but only a few things, those are not nice. So we try to remember bad things, not good things. But for me, I always remember only good things, only good things. So Dadi Janki used to tell us, like, just think at 98% things that they are going well. But what you do, you just think about those 2%, those are not good, and you keep thinking about it. So our awareness should be elevated always, and there should be remembrance always, like, oh, that time was really good, the memory. Just think about good memories, only good memories in your awareness. How from Baba we all are receiving inheritance. So we are heir children of Baba. So Baba every day teaches us this knowledge, Raj Yoga, and based on our inculcation, we are heirs, we are capable. So Baba is increasing our capacity. So to become an heir, we need to be capable of that. We should have that capacity. So we have such good stories in Yagya, like when the father gets old, then they think about this, which child is more capable. So one king was there, and he was thinking about of giving the inheritance to his children. So he has only one girl child, three girl child, and what he did, he gave them one pouch to each, like with rice filled in them. So all three of them were thinking what to do with these rice. So the one of them, she just kept it safe, and kept it safe somewhere. Whenever my father will come back, so I'll give it to him. And second daughter, what she did, she just added those rice to all the rice in the house, and she's like, oh, these are only rice, so she just added. So third one, she did something differently. So what happened, when father came after 1 year and asked for those rice, so first one was like, oh, she brought those rice, and she's like, those rice were gone bad. And the second one was like, okay, she brought the rice, and the king recognized that these are not the rice that I gave them. And third one, what she did when he asked her to bring the rice, so she brought like so many bags of rice. And what she did, she sewed like in the she grew up more rice with that. So what she got, she increased that by growing them and making them, increasing them somehow. So whatever we are receiving from Baba, we should also increase it. How? Not necessarily by giving lectures or classes, but what happened one day, one sister was telling me that when once I visited your center, so she sits at the reception, and whenever I go there, when she talks to someone, she talks so sweetly and so politely, like in welcoming voice. So she used to serve through her way of talking, her vibrations, her words. So it's not important when not necessary when we are giving glasses, we are doing seva. No, we can serve anytime, while walking, while moving, while doing anything. So what are we receiving from Baba? We are receiving purity from Baba. So if we have this pure mind, then mind is filled with love. So when the mind is filled with love and we talk to others with that love, then it's like magical. So if we are stable inside, we are peaceful inside, then it has different impact. If we are content, we are happy, that is also one way to serve. So Baba is giving us this inheritance, and what we have to do, always remember this inheritance and serve through our vibrations, our words, our actions, our attitude, our drishti. And the more we are donating it, so it increase. So those children who increase the inheritance, so Baba calls them capable children. So always keep this in your awareness that I am an heir child, and what all I'm receiving from Baba in inheritance. And always with this awareness, I have to maintain my happiness. So what happiness is? Happiness is something like, if you are happy, so you just spread happiness to everybody, like a disease, how the infection just uh, eradicate. So happiness also has those kind of vibrations, that if anybody is sad or in sorrow, they just feel happy seeing you happy. So those who are not feeling strength within, they can feel strength with your happiness. So our happiness can serve everyone. So constant happiness is not an ordinary topic, but we have to be more attentive, more happy. So Baba is giving us this blessing of constant happiness. So today we are Baba's heir children. So Baba is giving us inheritance, and Baba is making us equal to him. So today also Baba was sharing about in the blessing, Master so child. When we are serving, then we are as child, and when we are in person, in our own efforts, we are like master. So always maintain this happiness, constant happiness.
सदा खुश
Always happy, constant happiness. So this awareness of this inheritance,
इसी जुड़े से आगे बढ़ते जाओ
so have this awareness of
बस
always
याद करने से
only Baba and
सदा खुश
inheritance. So if we are
अब
remembering our inheritance, we are always
सदा
happy.
शक्तिशाली
And
रहे
when we are remembering Baba, we can always feel the power, constant happiness and constantly powerful.